Hello friends! Today we're going to draw Buster Moon.
Buster Moon is a fun and optimistic koala from the movie Sing. He owns a theater and loves putting on shows, even when things get tough. Buster believes in everyone's talent and never gives up on his dreams, making him a great friend and leader.
Get your markers and paper ready. Let's get started. First, let's draw his nose. We move on to his eyes. Now let's add a lovely smile to his face. Continue with his eyebrows. Next, we're going to outline his head and face.
A fun fact about Buster Moon is that he loves wearing a blue suit. No matter what's happening, you can always spot him looking sharp in his favorite outfit while working hard to make his theater shows a success.
Now we move on to his iconic ears.
Koala bears have large, fluffy ears that give them excellent hearing. This helps them detect sounds in their environment, like other koalas calling or potential threats. Their ears also contribute to their sense of balance, making them adept climbers in the trees where they live.
Next, let's move on to the other side. You can use a ruler to help you position the two ears at about same height. Alright, now we move on to his body. You can find the position of his bow tie under the nose. Now locate the colors in the same line. Continue outline his suit. Let's move on to his arms and hands. Next, we're going to move on to his legs and feet. We're almost done. Now adding a few more details before we color him in. Well done! Now we have outlined Mr. Moon. Let's color him in. We also have other videos showing Winnie the Pooh, Peppa Pig, and more. Feel free to subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out any new videos. Hooray! We've done drawing Mr. Moon. I hope you have enjoyed the video. See you next time. Bye!